The Rise of Micro-Gardening, How to Grow Your Own Food in Small Spaces, 2025 edition. In 2025, more people than ever are turning to gardening, not just as a hobby, but as a necessity. With food prices continuing to rise and supply chains facing ongoing disruptions, micro-gardening has exploded in popularity, especially among urban dwellers and apartment residents. Micro-gardening refers to the practice of growing vegetables, herbs, and fruits in very small spaces using containers, vertical planters, windowsills, and balconies. The idea is simple: grow more in less space, with minimal resources, and often without a traditional backyard. This method is not only cost-effective, but also sustainable and deeply satisfying. Whether you have a tiny balcony, a windowsill, or even just a kitchen counter, you can participate in this trend and start producing your own fresh, chemical-free food right at home. One of the major drivers of this movement is the advancement in compact, soil-free growing methods like hydroponics and aquaponics. These systems, once considered expensive and complicated, are now available in simplified DIY kits or even printable schematics that allow anyone with basic tools to build their own setup. In hydroponics, plants grow in a nutrient-rich water solution instead of soil, reducing pests and increasing yield. Aquaponics combines fish farming with plant cultivation, creating a closed-loop ecosystem that's both efficient and eco-friendly. These systems are ideal for micro-gardening because they require minimal space and can be easily monitored with affordable smart sensors. In 2025, AI-powered apps also help monitor nutrient levels, adjust light cycles, and send reminders for plant care, making the process almost foolproof. Choosing the right plants for micro-gardening is essential to success. Fortunately, there be many compact or dwarf varieties now bred specifically for container growing. Tomatoes, peppers, lettuce, spinach, radishes, and herbs like basil, thyme, and mint be all ideal choices. These plants grow quickly, offer high yields per square meter, and thrive in containers. Additionally, certain root vegetables like carrots and beets can be grown in deep containers, while vine vegetables like cucumbers and beans work well in vertical setups. For those with limited sunlight, shade-tolerant greens like arugula and kale are excellent options. Seed companies are now offering subscription kits with pre-measured soil pellets, seeds, and biodegradable pots designed specifically for micro-gardens. It's a low-barrier entry point for beginners who want quick wins without investing in large-scale equipment. Finally, maintenance and aesthetic appeal have become key elements in the 2025 micro-gardening trend. People are not just growing food, they're designing functional garden art. Using color-coordinated containers, symmetrical layouts, and creative repurposing of household items like mason jars or wooden crates, micro-gardens now serve as both a food source and a style statement. With a focus on easy care, these gardens use drip irrigation systems and self-watering containers that minimize daily labor. Apps track moisture levels, give fertilization tips, and even provide augmented reality visualizations of how the garden will look in a few weeks. This marriage of functionality and beauty makes micro-gardening a long-term lifestyle change rather than a passing trend. It's green, it's smart, and it fits perfectly into the modern, eco-conscious